Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. Last May 2022, the 20 years of the independence of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste was celebrated. Also, the new vice province of Saint Callisto Caravaggio TLS, canonically established in 2018, shall give thanks to the first Timorese superior of the vice province, who is finishing his 6-year term. Father Apolinario Ornai Neto was appointed in 2016 as the 5th Superior of ITM, VP of Indonesia Timor-Leste, but in 2018 the Rector Major established a new Vice Province of Indonesia INA, and Father Apolinario continued his 6-year term until 2022. At present, the TLS is the numerically largest among the 10 SDP vice provinces around the world, with 168 professed Salesians and 25 novices, less than the ITM Salesians in 2016, total of 196 SDP and 15 novices. Don Bosco Church, Linga Rajapuram, Bangalore, has initiated the Sunday catechesis with novelties like Fun with Faith, faith games, pilgrimages, homework sheet cards and activities. Father Jose Kuthianikal, SDP parish priest, addressed the children and catechists at the inaugural function of the Sunday catechesis and lit the 4 pillars of faith: sacraments, creed, prayer and 10 commandments, the main content of Sunday catechesis. Father Gilbert, the coordinator of the Sunday catechesis, explained the meaning and purpose of the 4 pillars of faith. And oath of faith, led by Miss Kathleen, one of the students, was taken by all the children and catechists at the inaugural function. The Turin Primary ADMA has been offering its members and sympathizers a period of spiritual renewal in the summertime since 2009. Once again, this year during July and August in the Salesian houses of Valdoco and Cumenia and in Gressery, nearly 400 people will participate in spiritual exercises. Prayer, fraternity, sharing and formation, not only for adults but also for the children, young and old. It will be a family-friendly journey. In addition, in the School of St. Francis de Sales on the 400th anniversary of his death, the themes of prayer, lectio divina and virtues from humility to charity will be explored in a family format. The Salesian work DB Serve Nitika, in collaboration with the Salesian Job Placement Network, Don Bosco Job Placement Network and the Hairdressing Salon Chair Naturals, organized a career guidance meeting which took place last June 24. The event, coordinated by Ms. Joshila Khathi, trainer of Naturals, was attended by more than 50 girls. Thanks to this course, now the young people will be included in the natural circuit and will be able to find stable employment in the field of aesthetics. Ms. Kati shared her story of professional growth and encouraged all participants to approach the world of work with courage. On Tuesday, June 28, about 70 students from the Campo Grande Don Bosco Institute went on pilgrimage to the shrine of Our Lady of Perpetual Help in an atmosphere of joy and recollection. The young people enthusiastically welcomed the pilgrimage initiative, and for many of them, it was an opportunity to learn more about these places and to experience faith together. This year, the shrine celebrates the 80th anniversary of its construction, while it should be remembered that it obtained its current title of shrine only in 1999. Then, Law Number 210/2017 established Our Lady of Perpetual Help as the patron saint of Mato Grosso and added June 27th as the honorable date. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.